And you can do this in either position. Whether you're doing with the knees down or back. Just do it a bit slower for me, Asya, just once more. So coming down. Now here, as you come forward, go forward, take care to keep the head in this position. Not to bring it here as you'll cause some compression in the vertebra. That's it, good. And rest. So the trick is, if you can stop at the bottom, Ravi, if you go down and look straight, you can fix your eyes where the floor is meeting the wall. And then as you lift up, you keep your eyes on that point, and that will bring the head down, bring the chin into the chest. So here you fix the eyes, keep the eyes there, and the head will automatically go into the right position. Excellent. Good. Okay, so you can do, always try to add perhaps 1 or 2 every week. So maybe on the 2 or 3 practices, do the same number. And then maybe once every 3 or 4 days, increase the number by a few. Okay, don't push too hard with this. You don't want to strain anything in the shoulder or the back. But these exercises can be very progressive and therefore very useful. Okay, so after that, we're going to release the lower back. So first the arms. And then the lower back. So from in front, straight down. Keeping the legs straight this time. So, we're now going to progress this kick onto how it will be more as a finished exercise. So rather than stepping back here, we're going to just keep moving forward. So think of it just like a walking. So when you're walking, normal walking, and we're just going to add this swinging to the walk. Just swinging the leg from the hip joint. Okay, let's try. So reaching with the arms. Stepping with the left, swing, behind. Step, swing, behind. Swing, behind. And when you get to the end, turning as before. Excellent, good. Left leg is in front. Step, swing, behind. Take care of your toes. And here, step forward. So you're going to make that right kick and step forward into the horse position. Back leg is straight. The left hand comes here, and then we're going to turn in a clockwise direction. Step forward into the horse again. Just stay there. And as we step forward, extend the arms. And then back, cross, and finish.